planner friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me if you are new here. So let's get into what we are doing this week. So this week we are decorating from the 12th to the 18th, and I had some ideas for this week. I wanted to do a math theme. On the 17th, it is Yellow Pigs Day, and that's actually a math thing, and it's one of my really good friend's birthdays. She was my best friend in high school, and I thought that that was kind of a fun holiday to decorate for. But unfortunately, I just could not come up with something for the yellow pigs. I couldn't be creative enough. But on the upside, I had this book that I got recently, and it had a whole bunch of cards. And so one of the pages had this French fries picture, I guess. It's kind of like a hard, what is it called? Oh man, I cannot think today. So this is like a cardstock, and so I'm just gonna cut these up and then see if I can place them on the page somewhere, because on Tuesday the 13th, wow, I really can't talk today. On Tuesday the 13th, it is National French Fry Day. And I think it's also Junk Food Day coming up at some point this week too. I'm going to have to look for that and let you know. So this is kind of what my inspiration is. And let's take this off because we are not doing that. And so I got a couple of, I pulled out a couple of the Happy Planner sticker books, because some of the colors, like in this one, and I'm going to use this big sticker, they match with the things that I already have picked out. So we'll see what else I can pull from here. And I also pulled out the rainbow sticker book, because maybe there is something in here that I might be able to use. Like this color matches with the background of the French fry thing. So maybe there's some other stuff in here. We'll see. I haven't used this one very much, and I really want to successfully use up at least some of the books that I have. So let's jump on in and see what we can come up with.